Good morning, Built on the Budget family. This is your boy, Built on the Budget, coming to you again with another live, lit, epic, call it what you want to call it, video. On today, we working on Baby Girl, the newest edition of the C10s on this channel. And what we're gonna do today is we're gonna do a little rust repair. And I done a little bit of something on it already this morning, removing the front bumper. So first of all, let's get this out the way.
Built on a budget. Drop that intro.
And we back to you one more time. Boy, I feel good this morning. It's nice and cool outside. But let me turn this thing around and show you what I done to the C10 this morning. Booyah! Took that old bent front bumper off of it. There we got it laying here on the ground. It was bent up. Don't want that. Got to be nice for Baby Girl. We only putting the good stuff back on it. Got the front bumper off. Got the back bumper off. So right now, it is bumperless. See what we got right there? Bumperless. I'll show you that a little better. Let me close this thing up here so you can kind of see. No bumper. That's what we like. And then I replaced that pan right there. If you remember, on the last video, that pan was kind of dented right up in here. Somebody called and Built on the Budget. Let me see who that is. Just like that. I'm back again. That was Baby Girl on the phone, calling to check on her C10. She said she got a C10 in the shop. She want to know, is you working on it? And the answer is yes. But like I said, this door here, as you see it, we talked about it earlier when I got it. See how it's rusted out? I mean, damaged, it's bent. It's got a dent up in here. I'm gonna take and cut this corner out right here. It's got a little dent there, but I can beat that out. I just want to use the metal. I'm gonna cut this corner out here, and then I'm gonna use these hands, the ones that's gonna be enshrined in the Smithsonian, and these right here, I'm gonna use these hands. And I done already started prepping this other door, but I'm gonna show you where I'm headed. This is my other door. See where I done cut that corner out? Now this was one of Roscoe doors. These are one of Roscoe doors that we cut out of, took off his truck and replaced. And like I told him, if he didn't have any doors, I would have fixed those doors. But we this is what we took out. It went right here. So I'm gonna take and I'm gonna cut that piece out of that blue door and I'm gonna put it on there. And once I get it on there, then I'm gonna install the door on the truck. So Hey, man, you get some exclusive footage. Share it with somebody. Say, man, come and see a man with some hands that's made for the Smithsonian. And he doing some good work out there on this C10. I'm gonna bring this C10 from the graveyard to DMV. And you're gonna be here for every move. So don't go nowhere. This C10 baby girl is gonna be LS swapped. You see what we got now? Ain't nothing in there. You remember this video. There's nothing in there. But the day is gonna come. Bam, there I go. Where it's gonna be a 5.3 sitting down in it. 4L60. Believe those parts. So let me get some more work done so I can shoot you some more footage. So I turn you back on. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, let's try this again. You know who it is. Back with some more of what I'm doing today on this LS Swap C10 project for baby girl. Let me show you what I got. Got this door off. Man, I'm gonna tell you, snatching a big old door off like this by yourself is a lot of work, man. But you know, we got to get her done. Get her done. Got a little rust down here. And that rocker. Yep, got a little rust right there. A little rust. Look at that. How would it make you feel if you seen that rust? Would you go in the house, get under the covers and turn the heat on and just pass out? Or would you try to fix it? I'm gonna fix it. I ain't gonna try it because why? I got these hands, Smithsonian hands. All right, let me show you what else I got done here. I just like cutting up a little bit. What y'all think? Look at her. She in there, ain't she? Huh? I think it looked pretty darn good. If you ask me, I mean, I know that nobody asked me, so I'm gonna ask myself. What you think? I think it looked pretty good. Put a little piss coat of mud on it. Now for y'all that don't know, a piss coat is about that much. Don't want to fill it up with Bondo. All you want to do is kind of skim it to take care of your little seam right there. And you know it was already bent before I took it off. I kind of straightened it out. But, you know, it's a little piss coat. Take care of it. Got a little spot right down here. I got to fix it. It ain't that bad. Maybe hit it with a few little spots of oil. That'll take care of it. But making progress, man. You know, you got to get on these things and stay on them. They ain't gonna fix themselves. So just want to give you a little update on that, and I turn you back on when I get this video, get the door back on, and then I may close this video out for the day. So there go the sunlight. Look good up here. But yeah, let me get that door put on. I got some more things I need to do today. I'm gonna do a little treasure hunt, but I'm gonna put this door on, and then I close this video out. All right, hold your horses there. Hold the horses. All righty. We back, and we're gonna close this video out. I just like to tell you, I appreciate everybody that's watching my videos, that's commenting. I read your comments. I try to reply to all of them. I enjoy reading them. Appreciate everybody that done signed up, subscribed, and, you know, keep them notification bells on, because as you see, Built on the budget ain't no joke with dropping these videos, man. I got a couple of them in the shoot already. I'm finna go ahead and get this one worked up to get it on sometime this week. And today just Monday, man. And I got plenty of work to do. And I'm going to constantly be dropping these videos. So, listen, man. Share this with somebody. Say, check this guy out, man. Tell them to hit the notification. Tell them to hit the subscription button. Because I'm going to be dropping some stuff, man. I mean, it won't that long ago when I had the door off. And look at here. What you see? The door is on. So, just to recap the day, and what time is it? It is almost 12 o'clock. It's almost 12 o'clock in the day. And I done cut the rust out of this door. I welded it in. Replaced the door. Dropped the front bumper off this truck. And a couple of more little things that I done before 12 o'clock today. That's putting it down, but that's how I do it, man. When I get on the road, I'm on the road. And I'm on one now. And this project, man, like I told y'all earlier, this stuff is too easy for me. I mean, I was doing old cars. I was cutting out rust. I was welding in panels. Man, I was doing suspension work, motor work for years, man. 40 years, easily. So this stuff here is like a walk in the park for me. So it won't be long, man, before you see this thing moving on its own power. Probably quicker than you seen my 88 step side. And I'm still working on that too. I'm just taking a break to try to get this one up to par. But like I said, I appreciate y'all watching this video. I'm gonna close this one out for the day, but it's not closed out for good. It's just for the day. So like, notify, hit the subscription button, and then I want you to check out the on my end screen. I'm gonna put a link to one of my supporters, Buchanan's Auto Sales and Recycling. I'll put his number on the screen at the end. Hey man, he got a lot of stuff, man. He got a lot of old school stuff, old school parts, doors, hoods. He even got whole cars, man, G-bodies. Got a lot of stuff, man. He got his hands in a lot of good things, and he can find stuff for you. Also, he got late model stuff. I mean, I'm gonna put the number on the screen. Give him a call, let him know you heard this on Built on the Budget, man. He gonna take care of you. Even if you don't say you heard it on my channel, he gonna still take care of you, because that's the type of guy he is. So, you know, watch that end screen, get that info, call him up if you got a need, old school need, G-body need, C10 need, OBS need, LS need, whatever need you have concerning automobiles and recycling, hit them up. The number gonna be at the end. And I just like to say, till the next time, peace.